You can now build a digital product from scratch and have it live for sale in about an afternoon. You don't need any design skills, no writing skills, no need I need to learn a whole platform skills, none of that. I'm gonna use Claude to come up with the idea, write the entire product, write the sales page, and then actually put it up for sale where people can actually go ahead and buy it. I'm not gonna waste any time, so let's get straight into it. Step number 1 is figuring out what to sell. And most people get stuck here for weeks. So how can we change that? Here's the move. Open Claude and give it your situation. I know a lot about X, my audience is Y, give me 10 digital products I could sell to them for about $20 and $50 and rank them by how fast I could make them. That's the whole prompt you need, and then you get a rank list, templates, a mini course, a Notion system, a prompt pack, a guide, whatever it is. And then you say expand number whatever into a full outline. In about 2 minutes, you've gone from a blank page to a real product with a table of contents. The idea was never the hard part. Committing to one was. Let's say it's a 30-day content system guide, something with a real structure, real value that somebody would actually pay for. Then step number 2 is that we let Claude do its magic and actually write the thing. I take that outline and I go section by section. Write section 1, keep it practical, no fluff, write it like I'm talking to one person. And then I feed it my voice. I'll paste in a few things I've written before so it doesn't sound like a robot. And that's the trick most people skip. Give Claude examples and context of how you actually talk, and the output stops sounding generic. Section by section, we build out the whole guide. Then I ask it to add the stuff that makes the digital product feel premium. A quick start checklist at the front, templates you can copy, a little FAQ at the back. This is the part that used to take people a month, and now it's just kind of a conversation. And here's the thing people forget. You're not making a PDF. Ask Claude to also spin the same content in a set of swipeable template, or a mini email course, or a Notion document. The same knowledge, but 3 different products. That's how one afternoon turns into a small catalog of products that you can sell to your X audience or whatever audience you have. Okay, step number 3. We've got the product, now we need the words to sell it, because a great product with a weak sales page just sits there and has a super low conversion rate. So I go back to Claude and I say, here's the product. Write me a sales page, a headline, 3 bullet points on what they'll get, who's they're for, and the outcome they'll walk away with. And because Claude already knows the whole product, the copy actually matches what's inside. Then I have it write the shorter stuff too. The caption for the post, the story slides, 3 DM replies for when people ask about it. In one sitting, you've got the product and everything you need to sell it. Now, the product exists, the copy exists, and there's one question left, and it's the one that actually stops most people. Where do you put it so people can actually buy it? And this is where a super profile comes in, because they solve the exact problem I just described. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You can make the best digital product in the world with Claude, but if there's no clean way for someone to actually pay for it and get it, none of it matters. And Super Profile is here to help you. Super Profile is an all-in-one creator platform built for exactly this. You upload your file, your PDF, your video, your templates, whatever Claude just helped you make, and it gives you a ready-made storefront and a checkout page. There's no need for a website, there's no need for plugins, there's no need to duct tape 5 tools together. It's a link in bio store, so the same link that holds your product, your bookings, your courses, everything. And here's what I actually love about this product. You can connect it to your popular payment methods like Stripe, so everything is just made a whole lot easier for myself. And the crazy part is, they go further than selling. They've got auto DM built in, so when someone comments on your post, it automatically sends them the link to buy. So that whole comment the word and I'll DM you the link flow, it basically helps you run that on autopilot. It started on Instagram and they just launched a Facebook automation too, so that exact comment and DM workflow now runs inside your Instagram and your Facebook. And there's no stopping there. WhatsApp automations are coming soon, which means the same hands-free follow-up is about to land right inside people's DMs on the app they check the most. So every place your audience is already engaging, Super Profile is quietly turning those comments into sales for you.
You can run meta ads on Instagram or Facebook and send traffic directly to your Super Profile page. Whether it's a course, ebook, or one-on-one session, your ad becomes a direct sales funnel with payments collected instantly, no extra tools needed.
And on top of that, they've got an email marketing, a simple CRM, and analysis dashboard so they can actually see what's selling. So the workflow becomes stupidly simple. Claude makes the product, Super Profile helps you sell it. I'll drop a link in the description, so go set up your store. It only takes a few minutes, but let me get back to the video. So now everything connects. I take the product I built, I upload it to my store, I paste in the sales copy Claude wrote, and I set my price. Then I launch it on the audience I have on X, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, and then I launch. I post a caption Claude gave me, I set the auto DM to send the link when people comment, and I let it just run by itself. The beauty here is that every piece, the product, the page, the captions, the DM replies, all came from the same conversation, so it all sounds consistent. That's what makes it feel like a real brand instead of a random PDF someone just threw together. And the day after, you don't start over and over. You just go back to Claude and say, give me a product number 2 from that original list, and you run the whole thing again. That's the actual unlock. Not one product, but a repeatable system for making them. So let's recap the whole thing fast. 1. You let Claude find the product and rank it by how fast you can build it. 2. You have Claude write the actual product section by section in your own voice. 3. Claude writes the sales page and all the promo copy. And 4, you put it up on Super Profile, turn on the auto DM, and let it sell. That's the real digital product here. Live and selling in an afternoon, a process that used to take most people a month to do. So if you want the prompts I use for this, they're in the free school community, link in the description, and go grab them and actually run this today. Don't just watch this. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe. I post content every 2 to 3 days, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy building.